At last, I will show you some toppers. Can see this one? This is a skin topper. It is made by pink skin. Like the real skin, it's just like the real skin. And let's see inside. Very invisible. When you wear this one, nobody will find this is not your real hair and real skin because it is so real. Wow. It's just so real. Like magic. Can see? There is no knots at all. Very good quality. The crown area. We only have one piece in stock. This one, we only have one piece in stock. So if you like this one, do not hesitate to contact us. The size of this one is about 12 by 15, about 12 by 15. 12 by 15 centimeter. It's a small topper. If you like this one, do not hesitate to contact us because we only have one piece in stock. But if you want more or other size or other color, we can also make custom model for you. You just need to tell us the size you like, the size and the color you want. We will make custom model for you. The density of this one is heavy too. Very good. You can see the color. The color is very good. See? Very good. You can see, very transparent. Very transparent. See? Okay, dear. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching. We will finish today's show. Anything you like, please contact us. Our website, you can visit our website. Thanks for watching. Bye bye everyone. See you tomorrow.